In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple funnel for your SMMA. So as you may know, I run a Facebook ads agency and created a funnel for my Twitter to get leads. This is what the funnel looks like. It's pretty simple. I have a bold title, subtitle, and a Calendly integration. Once the leads have booked a meeting, they click on next and get redirected to a thank you page. And then over here they have multiple options to either go back to Twitter where they came from, click on my Fiverr listings, or check out my YouTube channel. Now I'm going to show you how you can create something similar to this very easily. So first of all, click on funnels, then click on create. Create a name for your funnel. I'll just call it a test. And then choose your goal. For me, I would usually click custom, save. Then you want to click on it and you have to add steps. The first step should be a squeeze page, which basically is a page which collects all the users' data, such as their phone numbers, emails, and names. Or you can integrate Calendly and request them to book a meeting. So I'll name this squeeze page. Click on squeeze page, save. And then you can just pick out a random one, whichever one you like more. Click select. And then if you want to, you can actually edit the page as well. You can edit every single thing about this, but in this case, I won't. And then you need to add a thank you page, which is the page that they will be redirected to after they've completed the sign up. Click thank you page, save. And then just as before, select the template. You can also edit everything you want about this. So now you have a squeeze page and a thank you page. The next thing that you should do is click on view funnel step, copy the URL, click on squeeze page, edit page. So now let's just say you have a call to action. You click on it, and as you can see, there's all these settings. Click on open URL, and then paste in the URL of the thank you page. Now, every single time people will click on this button, they will be redirected to the thank you page. So after they filled out all their data, they'll click on the button and be redirected to the thank you page. Click on save changes and preview. So now when they click on buy tickets, they get redirected to the thank you page. It's pretty simple. And of course you can edit all of this how you want to make it look nice. Now you can track all the statistics in this page over here. So now you know how to easily set up a funnel for your SMMA. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer them. See you in the next one.